Here's Chief Meteorologist Josh Johns.
Welcome back, everyone. So it looks like we had a little bit of rain moving last night, but today it looks like the sun came out.
It was really sunny as we ended the day, and it's really clear tonight, which is going to do not only making us cooler, going to give us a great glimpse of something that's happening up in the stars. Mars is close to Earth tonight. This morning, it was the closest it's been to Earth since 2003. It's going to be in your southwestern sky. I'm trying to see if we can see it right now in our Concho Valley camera there on top of the Cactus Hotel. I think we see it. We'll see in just a little bit. But earlier this morning, closest Mars has been since 2003. Won't be this close again for 269 years. Let me tell you, it's not going to look as distinct as what you're seeing on the picture right now. It's not going to get above 20 degrees over the horizon either, highest around 2 to 3 a.m. But some pretty neat stuff going on tonight if you get to step outside. And part of the reason we can see that is because of these clear skies. Look at what happened through the day. Had a few of these high clouds moving in through the evening, maybe for a nice sunset out there. A few high clouds now too, but if I'm correct, that is Mars right there off to the west. Not positive it is, but I believe that is. And so you can see Mars out there, and if not, we're looking the right direction. So this is the direction you would be looking at to see Mars. Right now, 82 degrees at Mathesfield. It feels like 81 with that humidity at 35%, and it will be a crisp, cool night tonight. We're going back to the heat after that, though. That means triple digits. And will it ever end? It will end eventually. It's just going to take a while to end. Got a few more triple digits on the way. Last night, that wasn't the case. We were dealing with some rain out there as you take a look at your radar replay. Had a few of those showers and thunderstorms fire up towards Midland, towards I-20, and then around 10, 11, midnight-ish, it kind of moved towards us, kind of fizzled out just north of the city, and then reformed on the other side, bringing some pretty heavy rains down to the south. San Angelo didn't get all the rain that everyone else got, but we did at least get some. Quarter of an inch measured at the airport, 0.3 there in College Hills, 0.32 on the north side of town, 0.02 over there north of 67 off Houston Hart, out towards Ozona, picking up some good rain as well. Half an inch of rain to the north of Ozona, a few heavier stuff off to the west too, about 3/4 of an inch towards Water Valley, 0.6 in Mertzen, 0.02 in Robert Lee, just a trace out there towards OH-Ivy, but the heavier rain was down to our south, 1 3/4 northeast of Sonora, 1.3 southeast of Sonora, even 1.7 out there towards Knoxville and Kimball County. Been a cooler day today across the state, still warm but cooler than we have been. 81 currently in Waco. Look at the cool air to our north though, 72 in Amarillo. It's 82 right now in San Angelo, but in the outline areas where you're seeing some more of that radiational cooling off into the low 80s, upper 70s, and the dew points are in the 50s right now, so that dry air is in place. Calm winds, a clear sky tonight. That means a good recipe for that radiational cooling. That means you're going to wake up to these temperatures that we haven't seen in a while. A few thunderstorms moving there towards San Angelo. That's where our cold front is right now. High pressure settling in, and with clear skies, high pressure, yeah, that sets up for a pretty crisp night as we go through tonight. 68 your low here in San Angelo, 67 in Robert Lee. I'm calling for a low of 65 personally. I think we're a little too warm there on the models. Clear and cool with winds out of the northeast at about 5 miles per hour. Wednesday with the dry air, we're still going to heat up pretty well, up to 98 in San Angelo, potentially warmer across other portions of the Concho Valley. Those numbers aren't right. 98, and a record, of course, 107 in 2010. And unfortunately, looks like the hot and dry weather's continuing. You can see the 6 to 10 day outlooks there. That means it's going to be sunny through the rest of the week. Take a look at that forecast. 98 Thursday, 99 Friday. Then we're at the triple digits Saturday through Tuesday. And don't forget, Thursday night at midnight, last chance to sign up for bonus winning with the weather coverage. A family 5-pack of tickets to Schlitterbahn in New Braunfels. Still hot, still summer. You can still go to Schlitterbahn. Winner announced during KSAN News at 6 from our friends at Santa Fe Furniture and Gifts. But yeah, something cool going on in the sky tonight. You can go out and see, and cool temperatures as well, staying in the 60s. Not a bad night. Not a bad night at all. I really enjoyed those graphics, by the way. All the stars looked really pretty. Yeah. Cool. Thank you. You're welcome. Coming up later in the show, hear from a founder of Operation Blue Shield.